Welcome to Cafe 48. Today we are bringing you an exciting recipe with a flavorful twist. Get ready for the perfect blend of a well-spiced batter and mouth-watering anchovy fish. Let's dive into this culinary delight together. Our anchovy-infused dish is a flavorful masterpiece. The well-spiced batter perfectly complements the delightful taste of the anchovy fish. Join us at Cafe 48 for more culinary adventures. Like, share and subscribe for delicious recipes that will transport your taste buds. Stay tuned. Happy cooking!